वैक्सीनेशन में 87,40,595 people have been vaccinated so far. These are healthcare workers and frontline workers. अब इस 87 लाख में से कितने हेल्थ केयर वर्कर इनोकुलेट हुए? वो 62,82,646 है। इनमें से कितनों को पहली डोज मिली है? वो 61 लाख है। यानी हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स का जो कुल डाटाबेस है उसके 60% लोगों को पहली डोज पहले महीने में दी जा चुकी है। तो ये कोई बहुत असंतोषप्रद आंकड़े नहीं हैं। मेरे कुछ मीडिया के मित्रों से जो विचार विमर्श हो रहे थे उसमें कहीं से ये बात आई थी कि ये गति और बढ़ सकती थी, तो वहाँ हम सहमत हैं। कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ में अधिक प्रगति, अधिक गति हो सकती है। अगर आप किसी हेल्थ बीट के या किसी अन्य बीट के रिपोर्टर हैं और हर ऑल्टरनेट डे पर एक स्टोरी फाइल करते हैं तो आप हर दिन भी स्टोरी फाइल कर सकते हैं। So there is a scope for improvement that we accept, but the bigger picture should not be lost sight of, which is that in the first 1 month in this country, we have vaccinated 60% of all healthcare workers, both in the public and the private field. Coming to the second dose, we have given 1,70,678, which is 37.5% of the eligible population. Now, what is this eligible population? These are people who were vaccinated on 16th, 17th and 18th of January. Only they become due for the earliest second dose. At times, we fall into the trap of saying that if you have 1 crore healthcare workers, why is it that only 1,70,000 have been given the second dose? That is because for others, second dose is not due. Straight and simple answer. So therefore, the efficacy or effectiveness of a vaccination program should be judged by the fact what proportion of the population was due for second dose. And against that due population, how much population has been covered. So against the due population, in the first 3 days of the administration of second dose, 37% people have been covered. That is the factual story. Now coming to the frontline workers. Among frontline workers, 24,57,000 frontline workers have been vaccinated, which is 26.3%. This is the national picture. We will be sharing with you the granular details, which are the states which are doing well, which are the states which can improve. So that picture is here. So there are 14 states which have given the first dose to more than 70% of their healthcare workers. I just told you that the national average is 60%. So there are states which have done 10% more than the national average of administration of first dose. Which are these states? They are Rajasthan, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Lakshadweep, Tripura and Bihar. I would particularly draw your attention to such states which have a huge and significantly large denominator, where the absolute numbers were high. So therefore, if such states do 70% or 80% or 75% inoculation, this is something which needs to be appreciated and applauded. Let me tell you that when I say 70% vaccination of healthcare workers in Rajasthan, in absolute terms it means 3,90,000 workers were given first dose. 3,90,000 in Rajasthan alone. 3,30,000 in Kerala alone. 3,30,000 in Kerala. 6,96,000 in UP. So one state alone accounted for 6,96,000 healthcare workers being administered their first dose. 3,42,000 in Madhya Pradesh. That's a significant number. And 3,97,000 in Bihar. Another huge significant number. So that is something we must appreciate. In a country of India's size, proportion, complexities, varying level of healthcare facilities, we have been able to ensure that in 14 states and UTs, from 70% to 80% of healthcare workers have been given their first dose. But things are not so good elsewhere. There are some states, particularly 11 states and UTs, where less than 50% of the healthcare workers have been given their first dose. So I told you that the national average is 60%, राष्ट्रीय औसत 60% है हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को वैक्सीनेट करने का. हमने आपसे साझा किया कि किन राज्यों ने 70% से लेकर 80% तक, राष्ट्रीय औसत से 10 से 20% ज़्यादा वैक्सीनेशन किया. ये वो राज्य हैं अब जो हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं जिन्होंने राष्ट्रीय औसत के 10% से लेकर 20% से भी कम वैक्सीनेशन किया. इसमें कर्नाटक है 49%, आंध्र है 49%, लद्दाख है 45%, मणिपुर, मेघालय, दिल्ली है 42%, तमिलनाडु है 37%, पंजाब है 36%, चंडीगढ़ है 32%, नागालैंड है और पुडुचेरी है. तो ये राज्य हैं जिनको कि हमने परामर्श दिया है कि ये अधिक सेशन आयोजित करें, एक सेशन में अधिक से अधिक लाभान्वितों को सेशन के लिए आमंत्रित करें, ताकि यदि उनमें से 60 या 70% भी आते हैं तो औसत बढ़ सके. अब हम आपको सेकेंड डोज के बारे में बता रहे हैं. 8 राज्य और यूटीज ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने कि एलिजिबल हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स कौन एलिजिबल हैं वो हमने आपको बताया. उनके 60% से ज़्यादा को वैक्सीनेट किया है. इसमें सबसे जो महत्वपूर्ण उदाहरण है वो गोवा का है. पहले 3 दिनों में जितने लोगों को सेकेंड डोज दी जानी चाहिए थी, गोवा ने 100% लोगों को सेकेंड डोज दी है. 100% सेकेंड डोज एडमिनिस्टर्ड इन गोवा फॉर फर्स्ट 3 days. Gujarat has given 86%, Tripura 85%, Telangana 81%, Uttar Pradesh 81%, Assam 69%, Jharkhand 68%, Ladakh 64%. So this is now gradually picking up across other states, but these are states who have done exceptionally well in administering second doses in the first 3 days of the second dose administration. Incidentally, we have Dr. Paul today with us, who has few hours ago taken his second dose in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Now we will talk of frontline workers. As I told you that for frontline workers, there are states where we had reported to you that 26% is the national average, 26.3. But we must keep in mind the fact that the frontline workers vaccination started on 3rd of February. There are states, although national average is 26, there are states who have done 70% first dose coverage of frontline workers. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh has done 62%, Odisha has done 56%, Tripura 52%, then we have Gujarat 45%, Haryana 43%, Uttarakhand 43%, and Jharkhand 40%. Here also, in absolute numbers, Gujarat has given first dose to more than 3 lakh frontline workers. Similarly, Odisha has given first dose to more than 1,30,000 frontline workers. Madhya Pradesh has given first dose to more than 2,35,000 frontline workers. and Rajasthan has given the first dose to more than 2,29,000 frontline workers. As we showed you in case of healthcare workers, in case of frontline workers also, the situation needs improvement in some states. Assam and Ladakh are yet to start the vaccination of their frontline workers. Meghalaya has inoculated only 3%, Andaman slightly more than 3%, Mizoram 3.8%, Puducherry 4.7%, Manipur 5.4%, Sikkim 5.5%, Arunachal 8.2%, and Chandigarh 9.4%. So these are the states and UTs which need to pick up pace and catch up. But it is 13 days since we started the frontline workers, so we are hoping that they would catch up. We have shared with these states and UTs specific guidelines and directions how this pace can be accelerated.